Everyone talks about French style, but only a few rules actually make your outfits look instantly chic, especially after 40. Today I'm breaking down 12 French rules that really work, from the right jeans cut to the shoe trick Parisians swear by. Let's start with the one that changes every outfit silhouette in seconds. Stay with me for the jean fix and the hem ratio every Parisian follows. French women build contrast. Pair one structured piece with one relaxed item. A checked blazer over a feather light knit, or a denim midi-skirt with an easy white shirt. This 2-to-1 balance, structured plus soft, creates that polished ease seen everywhere in Paris. Why it works? The human eye reads tension between crisp lines and fluid movement as balance. Too rigid looks severe, too slouchy looks undone. The sweet spot is harmony, not perfection. That same principle of balance runs through the next trend dominating the city. Wide leg jeans. Skinnies have quietly stepped aside. You see high-waisted pairs with patch pockets, styled with slim knits or crop tops, and always topped by a checked blazer for definition. Loafers anchor the volume, giving the outfit a smart architectural edge. It's city dressing that still feels casual, structure plus softness again. You notice it with ballet flats too. In Paris, they never disappeared. Women wear them with straight leg jeans and plain white tees, then throw on an oversized blazer. The proportions stay easy, but the finish looks deliberate. That's the paradox at the heart of French dressing. Relaxed items arranged with precision, so nothing appears forced. Stripes appear everywhere, another constant, a Breton top under a trench or paired with wide leg trousers and a heritage bag. The magic lies in restraint. Instead of chasing trends, Parisians carry their classic bags year after year. Worn leather, perfect scale, zero logos. Timeless pieces outlive every micro-trend because they were never chasing one in the first place. You also see nostalgia used with subtlety. Cropped cardigans, buttoned and treated as tops, meet high-rise barrel jeans. The shape feels retro yet current. Fitted above, generous below. An oversized structured tote completes it. A small nod to fashion editors rushing between shows. Playful, polished, wearable. Want to know your French style type? Take my 60-second quiz and you'll get a free mini style guide with outfit ideas made just for you. The link's below. Outerwear becomes the anchor of everything. A long wool coat, draped over the shoulders, instantly elevates whatever sits underneath, even a simple skirt. Some women still wear minis, others swap them for midi pencil styles or soft silk versions that move with the stride. Either way, the coat defines the silhouette. It's proof that the smartest outfit investment is always a beautiful coat. Texture does heavy lifting too. A boucle jacket layered over a slim black top, paired with black jeans and a black bag, it's a monochrome look that's never flat. The fabric itself supplies depth and polish. Old money elegance meets city practicality. Refined but grounded. And of course there's the trench. Every Parisian owns one. Worn open over jeans and a grey knit, it carries the same ease as a cardigan but signals poise. Neutral shades, camel, khaki, navy dominate, yet sometimes you catch a flash of burgundy or olive in the accessories. Ankle boots complete it. Versatile, understated, forever chic. If there's one uniform that defines the season, this is it. Florals don't vanish when the temperature drops, they simply deepen. Instead of spring pastels, you see muted prints in burgundy, chocolate, and forest green. A long-sleeved floral dress with knee-high suede boots feels romantic but seasonally right. Add a structured bucket bag and it transitions seamlessly from brunch to evening. It's femininity reimagined for cooler weather. Denim on denim appears more often than you'd think. Relaxed shirts layered over turtlenecks paired with high-waisted jeans in nearly matching washes. Sometimes it's a full jumpsuit, sometimes a two-piece set. Accessories stay minimal: a silk scarf, a slim belt, maybe delicate jewelry. It's that quiet confidence of repetition. Similar tones, identical fabric, effortless impact. Then there's the preppy streak that Paris embraces every fall. Tailored blazers, crisp white shirts, short skirts or culottes, and loafers with socks. It's collegiate without being cute, grown up yet playful. Add a burgundy croc-embossed bag and you've mastered color the Parisian way. One accent anchored by neutrals. The simplest combination might be the most universal: sweater, jeans, ankle boots, chunky knits, often a little oversized, paired with slimmer denim and sleek boots. The charm lies in proportion. Nothing clings, nothing overwhelms. Accessories stay functional. A crossbody or slouchy tote. It's cozy and effortless, but still elevated enough for a cafe terrace. Evening brings more edge. Leather meets suede. Softness meets attitude. A long suede skirt with a cropped leather jacket and knee boots looks luxe without shouting luxury. Colors stay earthy, shapes fluid. Match bag and shoes, keep jewelry minimal. This is how Paris does going out. Texture replaces sparkle. Confidence replaces volume. Plaid never leaves the rotation. A tailored plaid blazer layered over a fine cami or lightweight knit is a perennial favorite. It bridges warm September days and crisp November nights. Pair it with good denim and ankle boots, then finish with a woven or suede tote. It's versatile, reliable, and still undeniably chic. And finally, the look that captures everything in one frame. A wool coat over a crew neck sweater, straight jeans, and a pop of color on the feet. Red Mary Janes with matching socks. That single burst of red brings life to an otherwise neutral palette. A beret or soft leather bag finishes it, playful but not theatrical. It's the perfect summary of French dressing: classic foundation, modern twist, and always a hint of joy. When you step back, all these outfits obey the same unwritten code. Keep structure and softness in dialogue. Lead with outerwear. Edit to one hero piece. Expose a little air, wrist, ankle, neckline. Prioritize fit over fashion. Use texture instead of color for depth. Balance volume carefully. Mind every hem and sleeve ending. Let shoes refine, not dominate. Choose quality materials, introduce color sparingly, and finish with ease. Follow these and you can recreate the same polished nonchalance, no matter where you live. So here's what you can do today. Take one outfit from your closet and rebuild it using these principles. Add a structured jacket to something soft. Tuck, roll, or shorten until the proportions feel right. Leave one thing imperfect, a sleeve, a belt knot, and watch how intentional it suddenly looks. And next, watch my follow-up on how to wear wide pants the French way.